Join me as I take on the challenge of removing earwax in a way you've never seen before. Earwax removal, it's one of those personal hygiene tasks that we all know we need to do, but often put off or overlook. But the truth is, earwax can build up and cause some serious problems if we don't take care of it. You know, a lot of people have some pretty major misconceptions about earwax. Some think it's dirty or gross, while others believe it's something you can just leave alone and it'll take care of itself. But the reality is, earwax is a natural and important part of our ear's defense system. It helps to protect our ears from dirt, dust, and other foreign particles that could cause damage. But when it builds up, it can cause discomfort, itchiness, and even affect our hearing. And yet, despite the importance of earwax removal, many of us avoid dealing with it. Maybe it's because we're not sure how to do it safely, or we're worried about causing damage to our ears. But the truth is, earwax removal is a crucial part of keeping our ears healthy and clean. Another reason people avoid earwax removal is because they're just not sure what to do. They might have tried using cotton swabs, which can actually push the wax further into the ear canal and make things worse. Or they might have tried using ear drops, but didn't see any real results. Let's talk about some of the methods for earwax removal that actually work. One option is to visit a professional, like an audiologist or an ear, nose, and throat specialist. They'll have the right tools and expertise to safely remove the wax and clean out your ears. Another option is to try at-home techniques, like using your irrigation kits or earwax removal drops. These can be effective, but you have to be careful to use them correctly to avoid pushing the wax further into your ear. There are also some more unconventional methods out there, like using hydrogen peroxide or ear candles. But these can be risky, and might not actually remove the wax effectively. So what's the best way to remove earwax? Get ready to have your mind blown. Today, we're going to try out a revolutionary new earwax removal technique that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. It's a bit unconventional, but trust me, the results are amazing. So, let's take a look at the before and after. This technique is going to change the way you think about earwax removal. It's fast, it's easy, and it's incredibly effective. And the best part is, you can try it out for yourself at home. So, let's recap what we've learned today. Earwax removal is an important part of keeping our ears healthy and clean, and there are several effective methods out there. Whether you choose to visit a professional or try an at-home technique, the key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more interesting health tips and videos. And if you've got your own ear care experiences or tips to share, leave them in the comments below.